Hey, what's up YouTube? Tintin here with tintinwin.com, and today in this video I'm just going to make an announcement. Basically, I'm going to shift my channel from being a marketing, online marketing, email marketing type of channel, and Facebook hacks and stuff like that. I'm going to shift that towards photography and films, which is what I've been doing since 2021. Since 2021, I picked up a camera and I fell in love with it, and I started shooting, and I wanted to become professional at it. And I went from one camera system to another camera system, and just gone through so many different equipment, and just figuring out what I like, what I didn't like, and really developing my style. And not just that, but also developing the business side, which is so different than other businesses. I've ran clubs, nightclubs, restaurants, bars, insurance agencies, credit card companies. I've done a lot of promotions and marketing, network marketing. I've done a lot of this stuff, and so I think all of that I did with my past has really helped me develop a strategy and a plan in order to grow my photography business. And so this is really just to document that what I've been doing. And really the backstory to me making this video is really because YouTube sent me an email and said that we're going to demonetize your channel if you don't make a video within 30 days. So that was like 2 weeks ago, and I'm like, oh shoot, I'm like halfway to being demonetized and having to restart all over again. So I've always had it on my heart to do this, to really document my journey and really share my experiences, the ups and the downs and whatnot, with you guys. And I love sharing, and that's why I make videos. I love helping other people, and I just see that in this community, in photography, just photography by itself, let's not even talk about videography, but photography by itself is, it's like a Pandora's box, right? Like, you think you know this much, but you actually know this much, right? And when you think you know this much, you actually know this much. And it's like, it's learning, constant learning, daily, right? With every client that you speak with every photo shoot that you do, you're like, oh, I could have done that better. Or, oh, I could have, offered this, offered that. Or maybe if I said this, maybe if I said that, they would have booked me. And it's just constant learning, lots of failures, lots of success. But really, I think that, for myself, I've had this really accelerated growth. To say that, I've gone from zero, right, at beginning of 2021 is when I started shooting for free portrait sessions. And I started with shooting a wedding, like two friends' wedding, and I charged $50 an hour. Okay, that's like insane. I mean, how much work went into that. I didn't know how much work was going to go into that, but I did it anyways for the experience, and I really thank them for that. But doing that, I learned so much about what not to do and what to do, and then from there, using my business, from the back end, my experience with doing business and marketing, promotions and whatnot, I've gotten to grow my company, tintinwin.com, right? Tintinwin Photography and Films, from zero, absolutely zero, doing free shoots, to multiple, I don't say this to brag, but I say this to say that maybe I can help you out as well, right? I've gone from zero to 6 figures a year in my first year of doing it full time, okay? And I know that a lot of photographers struggle. I know a lot of creatives struggle with the business side, and I think I can help in that aspect greatly, okay? Just because, going from 0 to 6 figures in a year, a lot of photographers, that I speak to, and I just know industry wide, right? It's like most people take 3 to 5 years to even go pro, right? And so I believe I went pro within a year, and the first year that I went full time, I was able to do that. And this year in 2023, I'm on track to double that. right? And so I'm not here to brag. I'm just here to say that, hey, it's possible for those of us that are really passionate about what we're doing, and we have the proper tools and the proper guidance, and just proper tips and tricks, and someone to kind of show you their mistakes and their success. And so you just build on that, right? You take what you like, and you discard what you don't like, for your business. And so I believe that I can be of great service to someone out there that's kind of starting out with me. Oh, my screen went blank. Yeah, let me come back. I need some extra lighting. Oh, there you go. Okay, and that's my website, and I'm going to show you that as well. But from start to finish, right? From building your website, which should you use WordPress? Which medium should you build your website on? Client galleries, right? How to do it for free, how to start paying for it, CRMs, customer relationship marketing, email systems. Like, what do you use? Like, there's so many different ones out there. Along with equipment, like what I started with is not what I ended up with. And so now, I shoot with 3 cameras. I always bring 2 to a shoot, and I have 1 for backup just in case. And really, that one's actually my dedicated video camera. So, to say that I went, within from 2021, 2022, 2023, it's basically around 2 years, right? All of 2021, all of 2022, and we're in 2023. So, okay, miscalculated. It's been 2 years and 4 months, right? 2 years and 4 months. I've gone from just doing photos to doing photos and videos, and my niche is weddings, right? I don't really advertise or market myself or promote or try to get portrait clients, those are all basically whoever can find me on my social media or website or Google Maps or whatnot. But my target is weddings, and you'll see that on my website is the focus on is on weddings, and I can show you how to do that, right? I mean, how did I go within two and a half, let's just say 2.5 years, from 0 to doing both photo and videos, and now projected to do multiple 6 figures, right? And so if you follow my channel, subscribe, please subscribe, like the video if you like it, and then from now on, all of my content will be photo and video wedding centric, right? There will be some portraits here and there, behind the scenes here and there, of other stuff, but mainly you're going to see a lot of behind the scenes from weddings. You can definitely visit my website and check out the videos I process there, that I create there, and really just share my story and share what I've done to get to where I am. And of course, it's a lot of information, so I have to break it all down. And so if you find this video helpful, or you like the content, then please subscribe, and definitely turn on that notification bell, so you'll get notified when I post new videos. And definitely it would help, it would be great if you put down in the comments, like, what do you struggle with, right? Like, what do you guys struggle with? I mean, if you've been shooting for a while, you haven't gone pro yet, or if you're just starting out and you want to go pro, then what are the questions do you have, right? And put that in the comments, and I'll make videos pertaining to that, using for example, what I did to overcome that or to achieve that, and so on and so forth. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please feel free to reach out with any comments, and from now on I'm going to be very aware, or I'm going to answer all the questions that are in the comments, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, my mind blanked out. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. See y'all in the next video.